Mike really likes garlic, so I'm gonna keep my garlic pretty chunky. Then I'm gonna take my chicken breasts, I'm gonna cut them in half. Just like so. A little bit of olive oil, and of course butter. We're gonna let that melt. Then while our butter is melting, adding my seasoned salt to my flour. Really, really good. My chicken. And just coat it really well in the flour. Just like so. I'm gonna put it in my pan.
Okay.
All right, so then you're going to put a couple of tablespoons of flour in your oil and get it all mixed around and let it get cooked. Then you're gonna add your garlic. We're gonna brown our garlic. Let that cook about 3 or 4 minutes. Then we're going to add our chicken broth. We're gonna let that thicken. Okay, see how that's gotten nice and thick? Oh my goodness, that smells so good. That looks so delicious. That is delicious. What do you think?
That's some good stuff.